Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Business Ideas. Today we bring you a new video through which you will know how to produce vermicompost and vermicompost production issues. If our channel is not subscribed, then click the subscribe button now and then click the bell icon so that you can get our videos every time. Vermicompost fertilizer is an environmentally friendly, improved natural organic fertilizer. Vermicompost fertilizer is economically profitable business in one hand, and in other hand it maintains the soil nutrients and protects the soil from the banditage. The worm compost is an organic fertilizer that is used to increase the soil fertility. Vermicompost fertilizer production business is currently a profitable business. The demand of vermicompost fertilizer or organic fertilizer is increasing day by day. Vermicompost fertilizer production can be started at a very low cost in any abundant place of the house, as well as man and woman can do this business together. The main material is residues of crops, distressings, vegetable or fruit shells, weeds, homestead garbage and straw. Besides, the main material is the earthworm 2000 piece mud-made channel or concrete reservoir and 1 month old cowdung. To manufacture vermicompost fertilizers, first thing you have to notice, the place must need to be shaded high, where there is no direct sunlight and the wind moves. Above will be a camp. Vermicompost fertilizer can be prepared on earthenware, cement pot, reservoir. Whatever the thickness is, the height should be 1 to 1.5 feet. There should be holes in the bottom of the pot so that there is no water in the pot. It is better to make a 5 feet 6 inch and a 3 feet 2 inch pond. At first, put a small stones or a small brick piece in the reservoir for 3 inch or 7.5 centimeter thickness. Then put a 1 inch soil layer above that so that it absorbs the water. The whole hay on the sand or the easily digested organic material is to be made like a bed. After that, partial crude organic food spread in the shade and spread it on the bed after. If there is less than 50 to 60% of water, then you have to sprinkle water. The adult worms on the food should be give up to 10 pieces in per kg. If worms get stuck for a few minutes, they can go inside the food within a minute. After that, the organic products should be completely covered with wet sacks. Instead of cottage cheese, coconut leaves can also be covered. Sometimes the water will be flattened. Keep in mind that excess water should not be given. After keeping them for 2 months, the compost fertilizer will be made. If the grains are brown in color at the upper level of organic material, if the grains are spreaded like tea, then it is assumed that the fertilizer has been made. After the preparation of it, the compost should be carefully mounted from the cavity. Fertilizers have to be used to make recompost. There is no smell during this time. Before feeding in the compost making pot, the organic proportion of organic matter, dung, soil and fertilizer ratio 6 by 3 by 0.5 by 0.5 is that organic waste is 6%, raw dung 3%, soil 0.5% and farm yield fertilizer is 1-2% mixed with 15 to 20 days for partial retention. After a period of time, the mixed substance is used as a wormwood. In general, 40 kilograms of food is required for a 1 meter long, 1 meter wide and 3 centimeter deep hole. In such a hole, 1000 worm can be applied. The compost bed will be covered with the base sock or sieve. The temperature should be between 20 to 30 degree and humidity of 40 to 65%. Sometimes light water will be spread. Before the meal is complete, new foods will be provided. Sunlight cannot be given directly to enter. Make drain to keep water around the house. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like and share. And if you have any opinion about this video, please tell us in the comment box.